Hey guys, and welcome back. So, on today's video, we have a polished brass Hunter original from 1989. I bought this along with another one from Matt. See the date right there? And this is one of two, if I didn't say that already. The other one being down here. So originally, these were both in pretty rough shape, especially this one. It was extremely dirty, but he since gave it a full internal clean through, and I gave it a bit of wiping to get rid of some smudges on the brass. But now I think this looks beautiful. I mean, really. Under all the gunk, the brass is in such nice shape. It's also utilizing these blades which reverse to oak. In fact, before I turn it on, let's get a top shot. This utilizes the 1.1 amp motor. And this is a 4-blade only model. So I'm not really sure what years Hunter went from 4-blade only to 5-blade only and then 4-5-blade, which is what it is now. But at some point in the 90s, it turned to 5-blade only. So this one's from 1989, the other one's from 1991, and they're both 4-blade only. Another thing to note is that the down rod is bare metal, because that is one that I put on myself, because this came with a ginormous, longer, I don't know if it was 4 feet, but it was at least a 3-foot down rod. And that was also just bare metal that they painted this weird, yellow color to make it seem like it's brass, but it really isn't. The other one came with a long down rod too, which is actually over here. And a slope ceiling thing that's incomplete, but this is at least 2 foot. It's still really long, longer than I could ever use, but it's still better than the other one. And the other one is outside still, because I'm trying to get the claw off the top of it, but it is welded into that thing, so who knows if that's gonna happen. Yeah, let's appreciate this low speed. It's just awesome. Blades are a little bit out of alignment. It's something that I could fix if I spent some time with balancing weights, but it really isn't that bad. You might be able to see it on higher speeds. Yeah, you can see it's really not wobbling that bad, but the chain is going crazy. So yeah, one of these two will be for sale. I'm not totally sure which yet. But I kind of have to sell some stuff in order to make up for what I bought at both the PA meet and Fanimation, which just happened yesterday as of me recording this video. God knows when it will actually be uploaded, because I have so many fans recorded that have to get uploaded. Maybe, I think this medium speed is the same as the brass 5-blade one I recorded, but I think because it's only 4 blades it looks a bit slower. The originals from this era are known to have a bit of a fast medium speed. Let's go to high. This is running without oil. right now because both of them got drained before they were sent to me. But just for a test video, it's fine. If I ever permanently install them somewhere, of course, I will oil it. And this thing is really quiet. I know there's the permanent mini fridge hum that's going on in the background, but even when that's off, this is really quiet. From a bit farther away. Get one more shot from far away, and then probably be it. Yeah, I think these are super cool. Went from having only one original in my collection for the past 10 years to recently in the past year acquiring 7. So that's nice. I'm sure I've talked about how they generally just don't show up too often in my area. But when you get in contact with other collectors, all of a sudden they're just there. I don't think spin down's going to be too long either because there's no oil. Yeah, if someone has those dates of when it went from 4-blade only to 5-blade only and then back to 4 or 5-blade, then let me know. So that'll do it for this video, and stay tuned for the second one where I will talk more about slightly different things. Bye bye.